So, hi there. My name is Matt Johnson, and I have a phone here, and it's directed at a piece of paper. And I'm going to show that zero point 0.9 repeating is equal to 1. And so we'll go over the phone view, then we can see the piece of paper. So I'm writing right here. And the basic idea is, this is something that my brother told me when I was in like first grade, and he was off at the university studying mathematics. And he said that you could have a decimal number, 0 0.9, or you could make it a little more precise, 0 0.99, 0 0.999, 0 0.9 repeating, something like this. He introduced a notation where this was written like that, 0 0.9 repeating. And he said that this was equal to the number 1. And I thought that was a remarkable thing to hear. I couldn't believe it. And so finally, he came up with some kind of a cockamamie argument that if 1/3 was equal to 0.3 repeating, and if 2/3 was equal to 0.6 repeating, and since 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 1, and 0.3 repeating plus 0.6 repeating is equal to 0.9 repeating, therefore 0.9 repeating is equal to 1. And I thought that was crazy. I didn't believe him. And he said, well, another argument is that you can't find a number in between 0.9 repeating and 1. And I said, well, that's not an argument that they're the same. If you were to subtract one from another, you would find a difference, right? It made sense to me. But finally, there was an argument that seemed to shut me up, the first grade me. And it went something like this. And so the idea is that if we have a number x, we say that x is equal to 0 0.9 repeating. We can multiply this by 10. So we would say 10x is equal to 10 times 0 0.9 repeating. And then this must be equal to 9.9 repeating, right? We could now subtract x from both sides. 10x minus x is equal to 9.9 repeating minus x. This is equal to 9x. This one is equal to 9.9 repeating minus x, but we know that x is equal to 0 0.9 repeating, so we just say this is 0 0.9 repeating. And this must be equal to, you see, these all cancel out, and we get that this is equal to 9. If 9x is equal to 9, that means that x is equal to 1. And since x is equal to 0 0.9 repeating, we've proven that 0 0.9 repeating is equal to 1. QED. I'm Matt Johnson. Thanks for listening.